Morning. This is our first day in a port. We are coming into Roatan, Mahogany Bay. Not there yet. Coffee here, and we are going to go ashore. No excursions planned. We didn't buy any excursions. We're going to get off the ship, take the little swing ride. We're going to show you that in a minute. Take the swings over to the beach, and we're going to hang out on the beach today with our granddaughter, and we'll show you some of that, show you what we're eating today. So come on, let's go, let's do this. Good morning.
Okay, can you hold this?
We are in Honduras, in Roatan, Honduras, going to Mahogany Bay.
Alrighty, we are in Roatan.
Roatan, Honduras, Mahogany Bay.
I'm loving the vibe.
You ready, babe?
I'm ready.
So you get off to the ship and you go to the left, walk over the bridge here.
How big the ship is.
It looks like a big ship, but Carnival Paradise is one of the Carnival's smaller ships. Sailed out of Tampa because the smaller ships can only go underneath the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. And check out our video on that one. That's pretty cool. But for now, we are in Honduras. And we're walking down. Temperature is about, what, 75 degrees? Closer to 80, Sophia says. And
Check on Carnival here.
gotta check on what?
Hello.
Yeah, but you want to get on to the other side to the beach first, right?
Yeah, of course.
Morning.
Good morning.
Oh, look at that ship. Sophia, look at that ship out there. Yep, old and rusty ship. And then you got to go through the shopping. Yeah, we did some shopping here last time. Keep on walking straight, Sophia. If you want to do some shopping before you head to the beach, this is it. And here we are, Mahogany Bay, Roatan. More walking. There's a lot of people.
Who's actually wearing?
In some places, it's still a thing. It's always been a thing in Japan to wear a face mask, but the sign says face mask, but we're not wearing them. Nobody else is. Yeah. So we're gonna ride the, what is it, a gondola, swing? What do you want to, not a gondola, what is it called? What are they called? Not a swing.
The chairlift.
Chairlift, there we go. Let's see how much the chairlift is. $8. Floats, paddleboard, kayak. There's all the stuff you can rent.
This is all the other stuff.
Yeah, that's the other stuff.
Yeah.
Chairlift is $8.
Oh.
14 for.
So Sophia just made it.
So 2 adults and 1 child.
Yep.
So we got to pay here. All right. So we got our wristband and we are ready to go. I'm gonna pause the camera right here while we go through the mist. Don't want to do any damage to the camera, so here we go.
Look.
Here we go.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, it gets high. At one point, it's really high.
But look at the landscape. And
Oh my, this is gorgeous. I could live here.
Oh, that's what I thought the first time I was here. It's beautiful.
I hope it starts speeding up and I hope we'll go flying. And this takes you all the way to the beach.
Yeah, the pretty flowers and stuff like that. I guess you can walk along that thing to the beach and it's nice because look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, I don't like this.
I love it, and I'm scared of heights. It doesn't go up that high. It's not bad.
It ain't a matter of how high. It's just how these things are just hanging. Look at the ones coming down. Just see how they just sit on top. They don't really.
Thanks for that.
Visual, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
last
actually
time.
the wire that moves. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look, Sophia, look at those leaves. We could make some of those for our yard. I know how to make them.
Yeah, we could. Look how gorgeous.
Are you scared?
No.
You're not scared of heights, though. You're good at this kind of stuff.
Look down there.
It's
Look at all the
It's
beautiful
gorgeous.
plants and stuff.
Mara, how do you feel about this chairlift?
I love it.
Papa, how do you feel about the chairlift?
I like it. Nice view. Lots to see. A lot of greenery. Feels like you're in the jungle.
Rainforest.
Jungle?
Yep.
But look,
Welcome to
even
the
walking,
jungle.
It wouldn't be bad. It's just a long walk because there's the beach over there. But who would want to miss this view?
I didn't realize these seats were so wide. You can probably fit what, 1, 2, 3,
I
4
forgot that
people.
too. You could.
4 people on each seat.
3.
We're probably about 3 stories up.
Oh yeah, at least. But now we're going back down. Look, Sophia, there's
It's about
the water.
30 or 40. Yeah, you'll see the beach
See,
in a
this don't
minute.
even bother me in the least. I don't know why. I guess because
Yeah.
it goes slow.
And then it stops. Down there looks like a Christmas decoration down there.
Well, that whole that's what I'm looking at. This whole big,
snowman or
beautiful
something.
walkway is
We didn't do the walkway.
no, we didn't.
We always
But
rode the
it's
swings.
beautiful. It's totally shaded.
So yeah, if you're afraid to ride, if you're afraid of heights and this is scary to you, then you can always take the little walkway that's down below us here.
Yeah, it's a hike, but it's all in the shade.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
like-
mostly in the
like
shade.
Heavy shade.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Look there. Crazy how big it is.
Woo! Sun is definitely coming out now.
People are walking.
It's definitely going to be pushing the 80 here in a second.
Well, the median temperature year round is between 82 and 89 in Roatan.
82. It's quiet and peaceful up here. I don't see a lot of people over there at the beach, so maybe we get there early enough to
Yeah, last time we couldn't even
find us
seat.
oh, it was jam packed.
Well, we didn't get off the boat until hours after everybody else had. We thought we were
Tomorrow in Cozumel, we're going to try and do like the same thing like we did today and try and get down there early so we can get good seats.
It won't matter tomorrow.
Yeah.
We got an excursion. We just got to be at that point, at
Yeah.
the meetup point, whenever they tell us. It won't matter. It's not like today where we don't have.
Yeah, this is a different
A reservation.
situation.
I'm going to wear my bathing suit again tomorrow.
Okay, let's hang it up.
I wouldn't. You're not going to be near a beach.
Well, she can still wear it. I mean,
No,
she
you can still wear it if you want to, but
It's a nice
I'm just
top.
saying. We're not going to be near a
Look at
beach
that,
tomorrow.
Sophia, that big trike.
What is that?
You ride it.
Yeah, you pedal
rent
it.
and you ride it in the
Yeah.
water.
Wow.
Those nice people I met this
Guys, y'all
morning.
better hold your shoes.
They're gonna be they're gonna be riding down under the water with a scuba mask.
Hey, y'all. Are we having fun yet?
We are.
Yeah, we are. It's awful bright. I should have got my glasses. It's like,
The sun
What do
got
you,
us.
boo?
I'll recenter us back here.
Look, it's grass underneath us.
There's the water.
Seagrass, that's what manatees eat.
Sometimes he sees things in there. Didn't we see a manatee or something
I
before?
remember.
Seemed like we did the last time we were here.
Water's very shallow right here. So beautiful, take your breath away.
And we're moving again. It's almost time to get off. This ride is almost over. And we're about to go over here and find some shade somewhere over here.
Fine.
Sophia's gonna find some sun. The older folks are gonna find some shade underneath the palm tree and drink a coconut drink.
Oh,
All right, get ready to rumble, kids. This is what it's like getting off. Hello.
Keep walking to your right side when you get off.
To the right.
To your right side.
Let's go.
Go for it.
Run, baby, run. Come on. Hey, I got Marcy falling down on a YouTube video here. Alrighty.
oh yeah, they got shade. I'm in the shade. Sophia can run.
Let's go find a shady spot over here somewhere.
They wouldn't have cared we had nowhere.
What day is this? Day 3 of our cruise
Yeah.
on the Carnival Paradise, and this is Roatan. We're gonna stop and find some shade up in here. Do you have to pay for them? Good morning.
We got the green covers, which is $26, and we got the hamburgers, which is $26. If you rent anyone, we could assist you guys with a waiter. If you guys want to get some,
Is it 26 per person?
It's 26 for 2 seats. Anyone, and for the yellow.
But it's all day, so
That's all day. You guys can sit in it all day.
okay.
Anywhere you want to go.
Probably one of the green ones, I guess. I don't know. What?
I'm gonna just make sure you
Pull
guys
it
have
over
a
a little
good
bit.
day.
Bear, you know the sun is going to be, right above you here in just a few minutes. You're going to be roasting.
So negative. Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you.
We're off to find something to eat in a restroom, so we're gonna walk up here and see what they got.
Okay, este menú de comida y todo, ¿no? Sí. Todo lo que hay. Todo lo mismo.
It's called the Hurricane Hole. I think they're on the end, down there. Oh, I see them right back here. There they are in the back here. I'll work my way back to the restroom back here. There's also food over here. No, just restroom. All right, so this is Mahogany Bay, Roatan, and we're about to grab some food. We'll show you what that looks like. But yeah, you got to use the restrooms here. They're clean. Food looks good. The drinks are strong. They're not joking. They tell you the drinks are strong, and they are. They got a little punch to them, but they're about 20 bucks, $17, $18 for a drink. So, but it's well worth it. Well worth it. So here's the menu. We're gonna go with the quesadillas and some fries. And here's the drink menus. We are going with the super size Huma Huma. And that's what those look like right there. The frozen drink. Very good. Fat Tuesday drinks. Alright. So, let's get into deep end. One thing about this is it drops off as soon as you get in here. So, this is what it looks like. Are you ready to go under?
Yeah.
Let's take it down with the camera. Hi folks, we got a little sun, as you can see. So what did we do today?
Oh my gosh, we had the best day ever. We were in Roatan, Honduras at Mahogany Bay, and we went to the beach, which sounds pedestrian, but it was actually the best. We met a lot of nice people. We had this, what do you call that thing? This canopy
thing.
And so I didn't have to sit out in the hot sun, but I still got to play in the water and then come back and lay in the lounge chairs. We had delicious food. What did we have?
We had quesadillas, right?
And some salsa.
Some really good French fries. Wow.
No, we had some really good drinks. That's what was good.
The fries were really good. Sophia even said the fries were good.
And we got to ride the sky lift.
Yep, ride the sky lift, which is right outside the window over there. Yeah. So.
And we had a special girl with us,
Sophia.
Sophia.
I think she had.
It's her birthday.
She had fun, I think.
I think she did too.
Yeah. We met a lot of nice people.
A lot of fellow travelers.
Yeah. A lot of good conversation about cruising and stuff like that.
We were in the water forever, just floating, and it's really salty water, so we were real buoyant. We didn't have to tread water or anything. We just floated. It was like heaven.
Yeah. So we had a good time, and that's going to wrap it up for today. Day 3.
Yep.
So day 3. Tomorrow, or the next video you'll see is going to be of Cozumel. So check out next Sunday.
Beautiful Cozumel.
Yeah, and we'll have that one up next Sunday, maybe. So thank
We
you.
recovered.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Like, subscribe, ring that bell.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.